Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious Christmas jollof rice, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin, I will start by parboiling my chicken, and at this stage I will start by adding my sliced onions, giving it all the seasoning I need. You can use any seasonings of your choice to season your meat. Next is to add some thyme. At this stage I'm adding some bay leaves. The next one is to add my Maggi seasonings. Just go ahead and make sure you season your chicken very well so that it will taste very nice, because this chicken I will be grilling it in my oven. Next is my kitchen glory. After all the seasoning, the next thing is to stir everything together, combine everything together to make sure all the seasonings marinate inside the chicken. It is well seasoned. Okay guys, feel free to add any seasonings of your choice. So lastly, I'm going to be adding salt to taste, just a little salt to taste, and cover it, allow it to cook. Okay, keep watching. So guys, at this stage, these are the things I will be blending in my blender, and I have here with me fresh tin tomatoes and red sweet long pepper with some ginger and garlic with onions. I'm using red onions too, and for the sake of the video I will skip when I washed and peeled out all the bags, so keep watching. So right now I'm done washing the peppers. Here are the ginger and the garlic, already washed and sliced. For the sake of this video I didn't put the part where I was washing it, but make sure you wash and clean everything. Okay, next is to start by blending it. So I will be boiling it. At this stage I will transfer it into a small pot to boil, so that the whole water can dry. Keep watching. So at this stage we will be checking the meat. Right now we're going to add water inside the meat to cook. Feel free to add the amount of water you want to add to the meat, because you are going to use it for the jollof rice. So keep watching.
Twenty minutes later.
Going to be checking the meat. At this stage the meat is ready, because I will still grill the meat, so I will step it aside. At this stage the water in the tomato is already half dried. So next is start by frying the tomato. I will be going in with some cooking vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This is the one I'm using. So next I will start by seasoning the oil. I'm going in with some thyme. Next is my sliced chopped onions. Give it a quick mix. So I will allow the onions to fry a little dry. Yeah, but before then I will season again with some curry powder and Maggi seasoning. So keep watching. I just want to make sure I season the oil very well. Okay guys. So at this stage I'm going in with my Maggi seasoning, chicken brown and cow brown. You can also use any Maggi seasonings of your choice. So I will quickly give it a quick stir. At this stage I will be adding in my tomato paste. Yeah, you can see the onions is already half dried. Just a little half dried, not burnt, but fried to be dried. Okay, so at this stage I will be adding my tomato paste. If you are in Nigeria, this is called tomato. We have it also in Nigeria. So here our own is paste. They also have the tin one. Yeah, but this is the one we are using. Any one of it is okay. I will continue stirring it until it's well fried. How do you know when it's well fried? See, right now it's not well fried until the tomato is like a kind of scattered inside the, it's not gumming anymore. When you taste it, it has taste. That is when you know that it's fried. Okay, so keep watching. So right now guys, the tin tomato is well fried, but the tomato paste is well fried. Okay guys, so at this stage I will be going in with the cooked swan. You can see how it's looking. Yeah, it's already dried. At this stage I will be going in with my chili powder. Guys, you can also use fresh one, but I'm not using fresh one because of my feet. The fresh one you will have here is so sharp, so I will quickly give it a quick stir. I don't know if you are seeing the video. So the last seasoning I will be going in, this is jollof rice seasoning. This is my first time of using it, so I'm gonna try it out to see how the taste is looking. Right now I will add a little salt to taste. Then I will quickly give it a stir and taste to see if everything is okay. The seasoning is okay. So what I will do next is I will take out some stew out, some of the sauce. Yeah, so this one I will keep it later, don't worry, I will show you the reason. At this stage I will be adding in water from the meats, the meat water. So feel free to add the amount of water you want right now. So at this stage I will be washing the rice with warm hot water. Yeah, the water is very hot but not that so hot. So I'll make sure I wash the rice very clean. wash this rice up to 4 to 5 times just to remove the starch. Yeah, that is how I normally wash my rice. And the rice I'm using is basmati rice. So right now I'll be going in with the rice. Yeah. So after adding in the rice, next stage is to allow it to cook. But before then, I will quickly gently stir it and allow it to cook. But I have to taste for the seasoning. At this stage, you can add in anything you want to add. If the seasoning is not okay, as for me, everything is okay, it's perfectly good. So I will just cover it and allow it to cook. So right now, what I will do is to cover it with a foil paper so that the whole water can dry. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, final stage. At this stage, I will be adding in the tomato sauce. Yeah. So I will be adding in a little butter so that the rice doesn't get sticky.
A few moments later.
So guys, at this stage we'll be checking the rice. Oh my goodness, the aroma is something else. The aroma coming outside this rice. Oh my god, this is real smoke jollof rice. Okay, my wonderful people, before I forget, if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and if you are my OG returning subscribers, God bless you. Okay, my wonderful people, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.